Here's a certified 2017 Cadillac ATS sedan. A fiercely spirited performer with style to spare, this ATS sedan is anything but ordinary. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: integrated navigation system with voice activation, dual zone climate control, power heated mirrors, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, automatic transmission, sports suspension, external memory control, heated steering wheel, gas pressurized shocks, auto dimming rear view mirror, and V6 engine. Edmunds.com points out, the balance the ATS exhibits comes via a 50-50 weight distribution and well-tuned standard FE2 suspension, including Cadillac's first ever 5-link independent rear setup. Cadillac, a luxury maverick. You'll never know until you try. Test drive it today.
Call us today at 813-565-0102.